Right, muckers, this is how you do it. This be the gear shifter with cable. That's what you do. Pop it on your handlebars there, and you need to run the wire through the frame. So it goes from the shifter all the way into the frame, which is there, out the bottom, which is there, behind the folding mechanism, through the deck board, comes out under here, wrap it round underneath the engine, through this grub screw, round the pulley, and it goes back under I don't know if you can see it. I'll go underneath for you. Go through that little nut there. Only needs to be tensioned finger tight. Tighten it all up, put the dust cover back on, good to go. If you're struggling, ring me up and I'll tell you how to do it over the phone while you're messing with it. And I'm out.